Welcome back to another video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Today's video we're gonna be doing this VHS effect, basically playing around with the RGB, so stay tuned. So the first step is cropping, which you can find in the effects tab. As you can see, I already did it, but basically this is what the effect does. It just creates black borders around whatever video you were doing. I applied it onto the adjustment layer above because if I put it on one of the videos, it would honestly just take longer to render. So yeah, this is like a hack to minimize the work overload. You should check the first link down below to get a free asset pack that I put below for this. Now I search for the color RGB effect. This one, the color balance RGB. Apply it onto my video, and now you can see these three bars. There's red, green, and blue. So basically what I'm going to do is make 3 clips. Each one will either have red on 100, the rest on 0, green on 100, the rest on 0, and blue on 100, the rest on 0. So the shortcut to duplicate really fast is hold Alt and drag with the mouse anywhere onto the working area. So right now it looks a bit blue because this means that one of the colors isn't on the right percentage. So let me look for it. Okay, that's fine. And here's our anomaly. We gotta fix that. Let me make it 100 because earlier I made it 200. I don't know why it changes though to lower numbers. I don't really want to get into that or really want to know, as long as the effect is fine at the end. So yeah, right now the video still looks normal. The next step is to create that line that travels through the screen. So to not mess up the crop that we did before, I'm gonna create a new adjustment layer, or place a new adjustment layer above the 3 clips. Oh, don't forget to save, guys. Always save. Control S. Okay, now that is done, we go back to the effects tab and search the wave warp. Okay, too many things there. Yeah, there it is. Drag and drop it onto the adjustment layer. Now we go and play around with the settings. I'm going to change the wave type to squared. The height doesn't really matter, it depends on what you want, as well as the width, but I'm gonna put the width at 1000. I'm also going to change the direction. That also depends on what you want. Also going to change the wave speed, as well as oh no, I think that's all. Oh, by the way, in the future I'll make a specific video for how to change that you see how it's like red at the top there and the rest is yellow. That basically means that red area is going to be very laggy. So yeah, I'll create a video on how to fix that. Now that that's done, we're gonna look for a noise to create that grain effect on the video to make it seem more VHS like. So if you search noise under the effects tab, drag and drop noise onto the adjustment layer, scroll down. Now you can work with the amount of noise you want. So 100 is too much, so just keep playing around with it until you see a good amount that you want. Now we're going to do what I said earlier about shifting the edges. So I just increased the scale. You can see like the blue is moving or is shifting away from the original video. Now we do that for the other color, which is, let's see, I think red, but green. Okay, it's green. Oh yeah, and something I may have forgotten to mention at the start is to make sure all the videos are, the opacity's blending mode is linear dodge. Right now the effect doesn't show properly because it still has that red bar, so it's laggy. I'm about to fix that though. And basically that's the end of the video, so I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something. To give that video the more VHS effect, you can check the link in the description below for assets. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, comment, like, and that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.